Yago? What's this, Yago?
Apple.
Yes, it's an apple.
Apple.
Yago, what's this?
Banana.
Banana. Very good. Yago, what is this?
Bird.
Boat. Very good. Yago, what is this?
Cake.
Kick. Yes, you kick the ball. What is this?
Meh.
Meh. It's a goat, right? The goat says meh.
Meh.
Okay. What is this? Up. It's a bus. Because the people in the bus go up and down, right? Okay.
Red.
What is this?
Mm.
Moo. It's a cow. Okay. What is this?
Caca.
Quack, quack. Because it's a duck. What is this?
Banana.
Yago. What is this? Yago.